Don't let a loose trouser button ruin your finishing. In this video, I'll be showing you how I sew my trouser button to have this perfect fitting at the end. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is to thread your needle just like this, and then you tie it at the bottom. You can see the knot there, and then you are going to sew the button on top the zip. You can see the zip region here, and the button is on top directly. And you also give allowance ½ inch to both sides just like this, and then you are going to sew from behind. So you put your needle there, pass it through the hole, you can see it coming out, and then you go back again through the other hole. After doing this, you are going to do it again, pass it to the bottom, and then you pass it upward just like this again. As you can see, this first part is already firm. So after sewing this first part, you are going to do the second side, pass it through the bottom. You can see it pass through easily. So you are going to pass it through this hole right here. After doing that, you can see it's already one. Then you pass it again from the bottom, but this time you have to be careful in order not to drag the full rope. So this is the remaining thread right here, you leave it behind, and then you pass this other one through the second hole. So from behind right here, you can see the thread. So you are going to use the needle to tie the thread 3 times. So just watch me doing it. 1, 2, 3. So after tying it 3 times, you are then going to drag it. You are going to tie it firmly, and then you cut out the thread, leaving small behind. So you are going to leave this one behind right here. You open up the thread just like I'm doing right here in this video. After opening up the thread, you are going to tie it again. You are doing this because you want your button to be firm and not to loose easily while your customer is wearing the trouser. So after tying it twice, you cut the thread, and this will give you a perfect finishing and a firm button on your trouser. So if you don't know how to sew a buttonhole, you can watch this other video showing up here.